Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. In today's lesson, we will explore a detailed conversation about real estate, including topics such as buying an apartment, mortgages, negotiation, amenities, and investment opportunities. This lesson will help you learn useful vocabulary, practice English speaking, and understand real-life situations related to property and housing. To stay updated with our latest lessons, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel. Like this video, share it with your friends who are learning English, and leave a comment to share your thoughts. Now, let's get started and learn how to discuss real estate in English confidently.
Hi John. I heard you were looking for a new apartment.
Yes, I want to buy a place in the city center.
That's exciting. Are you looking for a small apartment or a bigger one?
I think a two-bedroom apartment would be perfect for me.
Do you have a specific budget in mind?
Yes, I want to spend around $300,000.
That's reasonable. Are you looking for a new building or an older one?
I prefer a new building with modern facilities.
That makes sense. New buildings usually have elevators, parking, and gyms.
Exactly. Those amenities are very important to me.
Which area do you like the most?
I like the downtown area because it's close to work and shopping.
That area is popular and safe, but the prices are a bit higher.
I understand, but convenience is worth the extra cost.
Do you need a furnished apartment or an empty one? Default text.
I prefer an empty apartment so I can decorate it myself.
That's a good idea. Do you want a balcony or a terrace?
Yes, a balcony would be nice for relaxing in the evenings.
How about the view? Do you prefer a city view or a park view?
A park view would be more peaceful and quiet.
Do you need a parking space?
Yes, a reserved parking spot is very important.
How many bathrooms do you need?
2 bathrooms would be ideal, especially if I have guests.
Are you planning to buy the apartment for living or for investment?
Mainly for living, but I hope it increases in value over time.
That's smart. Real estate can be a good investment if you choose the right location.
Yes, I want a safe neighborhood with good schools and shops.
Do you want a pet-friendly building?
Yes, I have a small dog, so it must allow pets.
Are you considering an apartment in a gated community?
Yes, security is very important for me.
What about public transport? Do you want it to be close to the metro or bus stop?
Yes, that would be convenient for daily commuting.
Are you planning to get a mortgage, or will you pay in full?
I will need a mortgage, so I want a place within my budget limit.
Do you have a preferred floor level?
I prefer the middle floors, not too high and not too low.
How about natural light? Do you want big windows?
Yes, plenty of sunlight makes the apartment feel more spacious.
Do you need extra storage space?
Default textiles, a storage room or closet would be very helpful.
Are you interested in smart home features?
Yes, things like automatic lights or security cameras would be great.
Do you need a gym or swimming pool in the building?
A gym would be nice, but a swimming pool is optional.
How about the neighborhood environment?
I prefer a quiet area with parks and green spaces nearby.
Are you okay with a high-rise building, or do you prefer low-rise apartments?
A mid-rise building would be perfect for me.
Do you want the apartment to be ready to move in, or are you okay with renovations?
I want it ready to move in so I can settle immediately.
Do you plan to buy a parking space for visitors?
Not right now, maybe in the future.
Do you need a pet park or outdoor area for your dog?
Yes, a small dog park nearby would be great.
Are you interested in modern interior design or something more classic?
Modern design, with clean lines and neutral colors.
Do you want appliances included, like a fridge or washing machine?
Yes, that would save me money and time.
Do you care about energy efficiency and insulation?
Yes, I want low utility bills and an eco-friendly apartment.
How about nearby facilities like shops, restaurants, and hospitals?
Very important. I want everything within walking distance.
Do you prefer a quiet street or a busy one?
A quiet street is better for peace and relaxation.
How about the building age? Do you prefer a brand new or slightly older building?
Brand new is better, with modern construction and fewer repairs.
Do you want a balcony facing the sunrise or sunset?
Sunset would be beautiful and relaxing.
Are you planning to live alone or with family?
I will live with my partner, so we need 2 bedrooms.
Do you need space for a home office?
Yes, I work from home sometimes, so a small office corner is necessary.
How about pet restrictions? Some apartments allow small pets only.
My dog is small, so that should be fine.
Are you interested in buying a furnished apartment for short-term rental?
Not for now, I want to live there full time.
Do you plan to buy another property in the future?
Maybe in a few years, if the investment proves successful.
Do you want a safe neighborhood with low crime rates?
Absolutely, safety is my top priority.
Are you considering properties near schools for future plans?
Yes, even though we don't have children yet, it's good for future planning.
How about noise levels? Do you mind traffic noise or construction?
I prefer a quiet apartment, away from busy streets and construction.
Do you want a balcony garden or indoor plant space?
That would be nice to have some greenery.
Are you interested in apartments with community activities or events?
Not necessary, but it could be nice for socializing.
Do you prefer a modern kitchen with open space or traditional kitchen design?
Modern, open space kitchen is perfect for me.
Do you care about the view from your apartment window?
Yes, a park or city skyline view would be ideal.
Are you open to slightly higher floors with better sunlight?
Yes, as long as it's not too high and still convenient.
Do you want to buy in a neighborhood with future development potential?
Yes, that could increase the property value over time.
Finally, are you ready to start visiting apartments next week?
Yes, let's schedule visits so I can see which one feels right.
Have you thought about hiring a real estate agent to help you find the best apartments?
I think that would be helpful, especially if they know the local market.
Agents can also help you negotiate prices and explain legal documents.
That sounds important, because I don't want to make mistakes.
Do you know how mortgages work in this city?
Not really. I would need some guidance on that.
Usually, the bank gives you a loan for a certain percentage of the apartment price.
That makes sense. I need to calculate how much I can afford.
You also need to consider interest rates and loan terms.
Yes, paying attention to these details can save a lot of money.
Some banks even offer fixed interest rates for the first few years.
That's useful because it keeps the monthly payment stable.
Do you know about down payments?
Yes, I will need to pay a portion of the price upfront.
Exactly. Usually around 20% of the apartment cost.
I should start saving for that down payment.
Agents can also recommend trustworthy lawyers for the property purchase.
That's important. I want to avoid any legal problems.
You also need to check the title deed and property ownership carefully.
Yes, I want to make sure everything is legal and clear.
Have you considered negotiating the price with the seller?
Yes, I think it's necessary to try to get the best deal.
Sellers often leave a little room for negotiation, especially in older buildings.
That's good to know. I will try to negotiate politely.
Sometimes you can ask for included appliances or furniture as part of the deal.
That would save extra money and make the apartment ready to move in.
Also, check the maintenance fees for the building.
Yes, some buildings have high monthly charges for facilities.
Are you planning to rent out the apartment in the future?
Maybe, but right now I want to live there.
Renting can be a good investment if the location is desirable.
True, I will keep that option in mind.
You should also check property taxes and registration fees.
Yes, I want to know the full cost before making a decision.
Some buildings also have insurance options for apartments.
That's useful for protecting my investment.
Are you aware of resale value?
Yes, I want to buy in an area that will increase in value.
New developments usually have higher appreciation rates.
That makes sense, because they attract buyers and tenants.
Do you want a property near public amenities like gyms, parks, and schools?
Yes, that's very important for daily life.
Also, check the neighborhood future plans, like new roads or shopping malls.
That can influence both convenience and property value.
Have you thought about the legal process for buying property as a foreigner?
Not in detail. I need guidance for that.
Some countries require a local sponsor, depending on your nationality.
I will ask the agent to explain all the rules.
Are you considering long-term or short-term ownership?
Long term, I plan to stay in the city for many years.
Then choose a building with strong management and good maintenance.
That's a good point. I don't want problems later.
Have you checked the apartment orientation for sunlight and wind?
Not yet, but I prefer natural light in the living room.
Check the water pressure, internet connectivity, and elevators during visits.
Good idea. Small details can make a big difference.
Do you want to live in a lively area or a quieter one?
A quieter area is better for relaxation after work.
Do you need guest parking in the building?
Not essential, but it could be convenient for visitors.
Are you interested in a balcony garden or small outdoor space?
Yes, even a small space for plants would be nice.
How about noise from nearby streets or nightlife?
I prefer minimal noise, so I can sleep peacefully.
Are you considering future family plans when choosing the apartment?
Yes, 2 bedrooms will be enough for now, but I may need more later.
Do you want a home with storage space for bicycles or sports equipment?
Yes, that would be very convenient.
Are you considering shared amenities like a lounge or rooftop terrace?
Not necessary, but it could be a bonus for social gatherings.
How about the building's reputation and construction quality?
Very important. I want a reliable and safe building.
Are you looking for flexible payment plans offered by developers?
Yes, that can help me manage finances better.
Do you plan to inspect the property multiple times before buying?
Absolutely. I want to be sure before signing any contract.
Have you thought about hiring a professional inspector for the apartment?
Yes, that would help detect any hidden problems.
Are you aware of all the fees, including agent fees and registration costs?
Yes, I want to plan my budget carefully.
Some developers offer discounts during special promotions.
I will watch for these opportunities to save money.
Are you ready to visit a few apartments this week?
Yes, let's schedule visits and compare options.
Do you prefer morning or afternoon visits?
Morning, because there is more natural light.
Once you choose, the agent can help with the negotiation and paperwork.
That's very helpful, because I want a smooth process.
Great. Then we can start visiting apartments and find the perfect one for you.
I'm excited to begin. Thank you for all your guidance, Emma.